This dual challenge scenario continues as we speak, and the country collectively continues to battle the pandemic and tackle security challenges. So in these testing times, the Indian Navy aims to stand steadfast as a combat-ready, credible and cohesive force, furthering our national and maritime interests.
I wanted to ask you about your recent induction of 2 Predator drones from General Atomics, which have been deployed in INS Rajali. Sir, they have been operating for the last 2-3 weeks. Can you tell us whether they have been used to track the Chinese activities in the Indian Ocean region, and whether they can be deployed in Eastern Ladakh sector to help the Indian Army and Indian Air Force deployed there? And if deployed, who would be responsible for the safety and security of the drones which are on lease?
You know, this the MQ-9B pre-production model, 2 HALEs have been taken by us on lease to overcome the capability gap that we had. So this is for a short period. It is helping us in, these are very capable platforms, as you must be aware, with endurance of up to 33 hours, and they have the ability to go and have sustained surveillance over large reaches of the Indian Ocean region. So we are using them for surveillance, and these are being, the General Atomics, whom they belong to, they are doing the maintenance and provide us this Predator. The operations and the picture that comes from them is it comes only to us. So we have safeguarded that part against for the deployment. As regards operation in the northeast, etc., that will depend on the Army or Air Force requirement, and if it is there, we will consider it.